Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to share another amazing recipe with you because this recipe has benefited me and my family a lot. And for this I take 4 cups of water in a pan, 1 inch of ginger and a big cinnamon stick. Now grind them well and boil them in water for 8 to 10 minutes. Friends, cinnamon helps to reduce markers of inflammation, which in turn lowers the risk of disease. Antioxidants in cinnamon tea also help to fight against free radicals, which damage your cells and make things like heart disease and cancer more likely. Cinnamon tea is full of beneficial compounds that may offer several health benefits, including aiding weight loss, improving heart health, menstrual cramps, and reducing inflammation and blood sugar levels, and many more. Drinking large amount of cinnamon tea may help you lose body fat, but this beverage could contain dangerously high levels of coumarin, so it can be taken 2 or 3 times in a week. Anyway, then cool it completely and strain it. Now pour this mixture in a glass cup, add 1 spoon of honey and 1 spoon of lemon juice to it and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Have breakfast 25 minutes after eating this mixture. So friends, how did you like this video? If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. I will bring new videos for you to stay healthy. Until then, stay healthy and keep everyone healthy. Thank you.